Welcome to 5632 Rapid Run Court in New Lakepointe, Burke, Virginia. This property exudes pride in ownership. Renovated in 2018, this property boasts an open floor plan on the main level with upgrades to include recessed lighting, custom chandelier, and custom pendant lighting over the island. There are engineered hardwood floors on 3 levels and stained oak stairs with painted risers leading to the top and lower level. The custom 42-inch cabinetry with soft close closing doors and drawers and motion sensor under cabinet lighting are wonderful features to have. The Carrara-style quartz countertops and huge single basin sink make this gourmet kitchen amazing. But they didn't stop there. There are Samsung smart double wall ovens and French door refrigerator to complement the stainless steel appliances. The main and lower powder rooms are designed with an interior decorator's taste. Freshly painted, top to bottom, this property is move-in ready. The top bathrooms were freshly painted in neutral and white-gray tones, and all the bedrooms have new carpeting with organizers in each closet to maximize your storage. The roof was replaced with architectural shingles in 2020. The water heater was replaced in 2014, and the 2007 Carrier HVAC heat pump system is controlled with a Honeywell smart thermostat. The basement features a new LowE slider to the patio, and there are dimming and smart light switches both in the primary bedroom and recreation room. The lower level laundry room features an unfinished storage room with built-in shelves, a metal cabinet for locked storage, and a workbench for projects that you just need to get done. Overlooking the community pool and with a gate from the backyard to the community pool, you can access everything the new Lakepointe community has to offer. Tot lots, basketball court, tennis court, the community pool, and just across Guinea Road is the wonderful Fairfax County Lake Royal Park. You're less than 1 mile to the Burke VRE, and you're very close to the Metro bus stop. You're zoned for the Fairfax County top schools, Lake Braddock, Kings Glen, and Kings Park. For more information about this incredible property, contact us today.